Hello everyone, how you doing? My name is Said and today I'm back with a new video. In this video we're gonna talk about breccia. The breccia is a type of rock that consists of fragments of other rocks that have been broken and cemented together by some process. In meteorites, breccia is often formed by the impact of other meteorites on the surface of the parent body, such as the moon, Mars, or asteroids. The breccia can tell us a lot about the history and evolution of these bodies, as well as the conditions and mechanisms of impacts events. In this video, I will explain what breccia is, how it forms in meteorites, and what types of breccia exist in different kinds of meteorites. I will also show you some example of breccia meteorites and how they are studied by scientists. Breccia is a term that comes from the Italian word for broken. It describes a rock that is composed of angular or rounded fragments of other rocks that are held together by a matrix of finer material or cement or melt. The fragments are called clasts, and they can vary in size, shape, composition, and origin. The matrix can be made of mineral, grains, dust, glass, metal, or organic matter. The process that forms breccia is called brecciation. If I accent it right, and it can occur in different ways. One way that breccia can form in meteorites is by impact melting. When a meteorite hits another body at high speed, in space I mean, it generates a lot of heat and pressure that can melt some of the material at the site of impact. This melt can then flow into cracks and spaces between the clasts, forming a matrix that binds them together, hold them together. The melt can also mix with some of the clasts, creating new composition and new material or texture in meteorites. This type of breccia is called impact melt breccia, and it is common in lunar meteorite and some of Martian meteorite. Even we can see them in rock on our planet on Earth. Another way that breccia can form in meteorite is by regolith compactions. Regolith is the layer of loose material that cover the surface of some bodies, such as the moon and asteroids. It consists of dust, soil, rocks, and debris that have been produced by various processes, such as impacts, volcanism, weathering, and erosion. Regolith can be compacted by repeated impacts or by gravity into a solid rock that contains clasts of different sizes and types. This type of breccia is called regolith breccia, and it is a common in asteroidal meteorites such as chondrites and achondrites. A third way that breccia can form in meteorite is by shock metamorphism, a process that changes the structure and texture and properties of rock in high pressure and temperature, and caused by impacts or explosion in space. Shock metamorphism can cause fractures, deformation, melting, recrystallization, or a chemical reaction in rocks. Some of these changes can produce breccia-like texture of structure in meteorite. For example, some iron meteorites have shock veins, which are thin layers of melted metal that fill cracks in the iron-nickel alloy. These shock veins are type of shock breccia. Breccia meteorites can provide valuable information about the origin and evolution of their parent bodies. By analyzing these clades and matrix Breccia meteorite, scientists can determine their composition, mineralogy, petrology, and something science like that. Okay, I think it's enough for Brescia in this video. I hope you get something new from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, because if you like this video will suggest to others, and others can come and see this video and learn something new. Thank you for your attention, and see you in next video, and just be curious and looking for your treasure. Thank you and bye.